y'all, I just wanted to share an exciting new feature available to all of our Robo 3D printer users in Tinkercad. Now you'll be able to send your files directly from Tinkercad to your RoboCloud account. To do so, simply select the model that you would like to send to RoboCloud. Then click Export in the top right corner. Select 3D Print and look for the Robo logo. When I click on that, it will prepare the design and click Continue to RoboCloud to officially send it over to your RoboCloud account. Now you must have an account already logged in for this to work, but when you do, it will add it right there to your My Models, and it is ready to start 3D printing directly on your Robo 3D printers. Thanks for watching and have a great day.